Back to the channel. Today's the day we're going to talk truck caps. We're going to teach you everything you need to know about truck canopies, makes, models, high rise, cab high, all the different units. Let's get into it. Okay guys, let's talk fiberglass canopies first. So options, you got different heights, you got different colors, you got entry-level canopies and high-end canopies. Getting yourself into basically your entry-level canopy, a Lear, a Century, a unit like this is basically exactly what you're getting. They come standard with a double locking T-handle, factory tinted glass, an LED brake light, and typically 50/50 side sliding windows. Inside the canopy, it's going to be just regular fiberglass. This one has a front fixed window. You can order this canopy with a front slider. You can order it with a front flip down window or carpet lining. When you're upgrading your canopy, you want a little bit more of a sporty look, you're going to be going to a unit just like this. This is another Lear model. Century also does the same unit. This one has what we call frameless glass. There's no frame around the actual gate. Single handle with a lock in the middle. They usually have a little bit more of a rigid tailgate cap. This is a fiberglass tailgate cap on this one. This unit in particular has the felt lining. It's a marine grade felt. It's mildew resistant. This unit also has, you can't really see it, but it has a front flip down window. And what that does is basically there's two pins on the top of the window. The window will fold down and you can clean the back of your truck window or the front of the canopy window to get rid of any dust or debris you accumulate on the road. Colors, factory colors. This will be a factory, this is a Ford canopy. This will be a factory Ford color. They come standard like that when ordering them. This is a factory white. Other options you can get, you want a mid-rise or a high-rise. They're both available as well in different models. These units all are the same streamlined height as the cab. So if you're worried about height getting into your garage or an underground parking lot, that's no issue with a cab high. Keep that in mind when ordering a mid-rise or a high-rise. Let's talk contractor caps. Let's go. Okay guys, let's talk contractor canopies. We got our fiberglass ones done. Let's get into the contractor ones. Very typical for a contractor canopy is going to be your typical client is electrician, plumbers, anybody in the trades. They work super well. They're very durable, lightweight. Options are galore. You can get a cab high one. Typically it's about 23 inches tall. This customer ordered a wedge style canopy. This has got some taper to it, helps with wind deflection, also gives you a bit more cargo space. You can go as tall as 40 inches from the bed rail to the top of the canopy. That's going to give you a lot of extra space. This client has side doors on his. This is fairly standard. You're going to have a standard stainless steel T-handle with a triple locking point system for security. Inside, you can either have straight access into your box or get a toolbox like this. Toolbox options vary as well. You can get yourself into a horizontal shelf. You can get different verticals. Vertical shelf dividers, options are endless. You can also order a door skin on your canopy. That will help prevent any damage to the outside of the canopy shell. Roof rack options, standard is a rack like this. This works great for any plumbing, piping, any lumber, any ladder. You can upgrade your rack as well to a prime design rack with locking arms for your ladders. On the rear, it's hard to see because it's on the forklift, but this has got a double barn door. Both doors open up like this. They work great for if you want to put a bed slide in there. Some clients don't want to lose their tailgate camera, so what they'll do is they'll order it with a hatch gate on the back. Very similar to a fiberglass canopy gate that latches, but you'll still keep your tailgate and your camera in there. Colors, you can order with different colors, different options. This is a very, very common sale for us, for any trade guy looking to get himself outfitted for work. Okay guys, time has come, you're ready to buy one. What do? You buy new, you buy used, you buy on Marketplace, you buy on Craigslist. What's the best options? Marketplace and Craigslist can work. You can definitely get a good deal on there. You gotta know what you're buying. There's different fitments, different colors. Chevs don't interchange with Dodges. Certain years don't interchange on different years. It can be quite confusing and challenging. I recommend going to a dealer. Typically with a dealer, you're gonna get the best service, you're gonna get it resealed, you're gonna get the proper installation hardware for that actual particular canopy. And for us, the example, we do buy and sell and rent canopies as well. So if you have a canopy on your truck, you want to pull some money out of your truck before you sell it, sell the canopy to the dealer. They'll give you a discount on your new cap and hook you up. Stop by JAW today. We've got 350 caps in stock. All of our inventory is online on our website with pricing. Check it out online. Thanks, guys. Take care.